In this video, we'll show you how to change the tailgate handle on your Ford F-150. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Lift the tailgate step up. Using a 10mm wrench, unscrew the two retaining nuts from the tailgate handle. You can now push on the handle to disengage it from its slot. You can use a car trim removal tool. Disconnect the tailgate handle rods. You can use a screwdriver to help you. Then remove the handle. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Now you need to disconnect the harness from the backup camera. Disconnect the connector by pushing the plastic tab, then pull the tab. Using a T20 Torx wrench, unscrew the backup camera retaining screw. You can now remove the bracket. Remove the backup camera. You can order the tailgate handle used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new tailgate handle. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screw. Then remove the bracket. Put the backup camera in place. Replace the bracket. And screw it back on. Plug the electrical connector back in. Put the rods back in place. Then lock it. Put the handle back in place. Screw the nuts back on by hand at first. Finish tightening the two holding nuts using the wrench. Put the tailgate step back in place. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.